can try one more time on a juice there.
What?
You don't think so we can try that juice?
Lord God. Run a bling yesterday, my house. In a bling. And he say you have some people we can put the juice out there. And we can make $1 million. $1 million.
See, you know what I want? You know some youth that make some mad juice down the road. Yo, the youth, and me fit tell you a juice bad.
Yes, so may I say,
we have the peanut ready.
we can make a tune out for this.
Yeah.
The whole kitchen.
How could I help you, sir?
Call me Kevin, sir, Ratty. AKA Ratty. Ratty.
We have a product here, sir, which we were told that you can assist us in getting this thing out there on the market. And we want to know that right up in the weed line. Easy.
I think I know some investors, you know.
Yeah, man.
Big investors. They can get it on the market. Fine. Just sign here for me here on the side.
Boy.
Don't bother reading. Just sign.
I would have it on my door. Come between me and you know. So don't try to start it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
We are going to make more than money after the juice. Idiot. You know, see, man, the one with the tell you we are talking about.
In Sioux calling.
If just cool, man, wait, my phone's won't ring, man, it's won't ring.
You know, everything didn't went well, you know. People them didn't like the juice. They don't want to invest their money in that.